Today I am going to teach you direct indirect speech. We can say this topic reported speech also and narration. Both are the same. Okay? Direct speech. Direct speech means contains the actual words spoken by the speaker. Direct speech means direct speech contains the actual words spoken by the speaker. Gives the substance of the speaker's actual words, not exact words spoken by him or her. है ना? Indirect speech gives the substance of the speaker's actual words, not exact words spoken by him or her. This is the difference of direct speech. है ना? What is the direct speech? Direct speech contains the actual words spoken by the speaker. Indirect speech give the substance of the speaker's actual words, not the exact words spoken by him or her. There is a change. You know, when the sentence of direct speech, it is a straight sentence, simple, but in indirect speech we change the language of the sentence. है ना? Indirectly जब हम किसी को कोई sentence बोलते हैं तो वो indirect speech में directly बोलने को direct speech. Okay, remember about the direct speech. है ना? What are the points which we remember direct indirect speech? Write this reported speech in inverted commas. For example, I said, this is my book. We can divide sentence in two parts. We can divide the sentence into two parts. And first part is, we can say reporting verb. है ना? In indirect speech, we can say first part is reporting verb and second part we can say reported speech. First part ko we can say reporting verb, second part is reported speech. Okay, this is a sentence of indirect speech. Direct speech. I said, this is my book. How we change? I said that this is my book. Okay, this is indirect sentence and this is direct sentence. Okay, now direct sentence we use commas, inverted commas. Our reported speech close into inverted commas, but indirect speech we remove the commas. When we change into indirect speech, we remove the commas. And now this is reporting verb and this is reported speech. In direct speech, we get inverted commas, and indirect speech we remove the inverted commas, and we have removed the inverted commas, we use conjunctions. इन्वर्टेड कॉमास को रिमूव करने के लिए हमें किसकी नीड होती है? कंजक्शंस की, है ना? दैट, इफ, वेदर, व्हाट, व्हाई, these are the conjunctions. That, if, whether, what, why. We use conjunctions, remove the inverted commas. And direct speech, always first letter is capital, but indirect speech always it's running sentence, है ना? We use a small letter, running letters. Okay, now look at the board. How we change the pronouns? How we change the pronouns of indirect speech? First person pronoun I and we, है ना? जो हमारे first person के pronoun होते I और we. Second person you, and third person he, she, it, they. These are the differences of persons, है ना? persons में जो difference है, first person के pronoun I, we, second person you, and third person he, she, it, they. First person के pronoun change according to अकॉर्डिंग टू रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब सब्जेक्ट, जो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब का सब्जेक्ट होगा उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम चेंज करेंगे फर्स्ट पर्सन के प्रोनाउन. सेकेंड पर्सन प्रोनाउन वी चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑब्जेक्ट, एंड थर्ड पर्सन प्रोनाउन वी चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू नो चेंज, है ना. जो थर्ड पर्सन के प्रोनाउन है वो चेंज नहीं होंगे. S stands for subject, O stands for object, and N stands for no change. Clear? है ना. S से हो गया हमारा subject, O for object, and N for no change. It means first person pronoun will change according to subject. Second person pronoun will change according to object of reporting verb. And third person pronoun will not change. Okay? Here is a sentence of yours. I said, this is my book. This is the reporting verb. And now this is reporting verb, and here is this. There is no pronoun. That's why we have not changed here. Okay, like I said, I am a good boy. I said, I am a good boy. Then I said that he, subject he, because this is first person pronoun. I जो है वो हमारे किस पर्सन का प्रोनाउन है, फर्स्ट पर्सन का है. अकॉर्डिंग चेंज होगा सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग, है ना. He was a good boy. He was a good boy. And we remove the commas and we put the conjunction here, है ना. For remove the commas. कॉमास को रिमूव करने के लिए हमने यहाँ पर क्या यूज किया है, कंजक्शन का. और ये आई हमारा किस पर्सन का प्रोनाउन था, फर्स्ट पर्सन. तो फर्स्ट पर्सन का प्रोनाउन जो चेंज हुआ है वो हमारा सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग. क्लियर? नाउ सी द बोर्ड.
मैम.
यस यस यस.
मैम ये जो कंजक्शन है इसको हम किसके हिसाब से इसमें जोड़ते हैं, बीच में दैट ही लगाए हैं, भाई लगाते हैं?
बेटा फिर से हेलो.
यस मैम.
क्या बेटा फिर से बोलिए, समझ नहीं आया को, फिर से बोलो.
मैम इसकी दैट की वार्ता है तो व्हाट,
वो I will explain after
दैट ही कर रहा है.
that. Okay, okay, I will explain. You are asking about the conjunction. Yes? You are asking
Yes,
about
ma'am.
the conjunction. How will we change? है ना? I will tell you. First, look at the board. When reporting verb is in say, है ना. reporting verb में जो हमारा say होगा, तो we write say. say कहेंगे say. says को say says to go says say to tells, है ना. like said, you have to हम किसमें चेंज करेंगे, told में. are reporting verb without object, then we write as usual. अगर हमारी रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब में तो वो ऐड लिख देंगे like says और say. But there is object. reporting verb बस object है. then we take, है ना. तब हम क्या करेंगे, चेंज करेंगे. को पहले say को tells में और को said लिखेंगे. यहाँ पर said to होगा तो told. It clear? This thing is clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you are asking about the conjunction. Conjunction को कैसे change करेंगे? If sentence is affirmative, it means assertive. Then we use that. Then we use conjunction of that. If interrogative, when our reporting verb affirmative, when our reported speech affirmative, then we use conjunction that. अगर हमारी reported speech affirmative negative है, then we use that. है ना, कौन सा conjunction use करेंगे हम? That. If reported speech interrogative, we have two types of interrogative. We have two types of interrogative. First type of that sentences started with helping verb. जो sentences helping verbs हैं, उनमें हम use करते हैं if whether. Both are same. If you want, you can use if in of whether in place of if. आप चाहे तो if भी यूज कर सकते हो और whether भी. किस तरह के सेंटेंस होंगे? इंटेरोगेटिव होंगे और जो हमारी हेल्पिंग वर्ब से स्टार्ट हो. आई विल गिव यू एग्जांपल. ओके, आई विल एक्सप्लेन विद एग्जांपल. ठीक है, अगर हमारे पास इंटेरोगेट फर्स्ट हो गया जो वर्ब से स्टार्ट हुआ, हेल्पिंग वर्ब से, देन वी यूज conjunction if or whether. Whatever you want you can use. Whatever you want you can use if or whether. Both are same. Okay. Second type of interrogative, that words start with interrogation word. जो interrogative word से start होते हैं, like why, what, है ना, तो we put same word and we use then we will not use any conjunction. अगर हमारा सेंटेंस इंटेरोगेटिव है और किसी क्वेश्चन वर्ड से स्टार्ट हो रहा है ना, WH वर्ड से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, then we will not use any conjunction, either that or if or whether. Yes, then we write directly interrogation word. Yes, okay. इज इट क्लियर? आपको ये समझ में आया कैसे हम कंजक्शन का यूज करेंगे? यस
यस मैम.
है ना. अगर सेंटेंस, इफ सेंटेंस इज affirmative and negative form, then we use that. Okay, if sentence is affirmative and negative, then we use conjunction that. If sentence is in interrogative, it means reported speech sentence, है ना. reported speech का sentence interrogative है और helping verb से start हो रहा है. एक am I good boy, है ना, ये किससे स्टार्ट हो रहा है? and we give for whether to connect the sentence. सेंटेंस को कनेक्ट करने के लिए हम कौन सा कंडीशन यूज कर सकते हैं? इफ और वेदर. इफ सेंटेंस स्टार्ट विद हेल्पिंग वर्ब. इफ सेंटेंस स्टार्ट व्हाई, व्हाट, वेयर, व्हेन, दिस टाइप ऑफ WH वर्ड्स, देन we will not use any conjunction. तब हम किसी भी conjunction का यूज नहीं करेंगे. We use directly put the interrogation verb whatever it's give in a sentence. जो sentence में दिया हुआ है जो भी word, उसको हम directly उसको वहां पर रख देंगे. Clear? Yes.
यस मैम.
Okay. Now change the pronouns. First you have to tell me one sentence. आपको पहले मुझे एक sentence बताना होगा. After that I will tell you. Ram said to me. Ram said to me, I am going to school. Okay. Now how will we change? Ram said to me, I am going to school. Then you can write Ram told me. First, you
Me
have to
that he
learn.
was going to school.
Okay, listen. First, you have to remember said to change into told. Clear? Ram told me that he was according to pronoun, according to subject. We change it to subject because I is first person pronoun. Okay, he was going to school and use full stop. And अब हमारा सेंटेंस पूरा एक हो गया because it connected by the that. है ना, किससे कनेक्ट हो गया? that से. We use conjunction that. यहाँ पर सेंटेंस नंबर 2 inverted comma sentence we say speech. Okay, now see the board. Ram said to me, going to school. Okay, this is interrogative sentence. So, in interrogative sentence, reporting verb change into asked. है ना, in place of told we write, है ना, क्या लिखेंगे? We will write asked. Asked me. And this sentence has said is a helping verb. किससे start हो रहा है? Helping verb से. If you can use Ram asked me if. After that sentence will be simple. या जो हमारा सेंटेंस है, जो इंटेरोगेटिव है, वो कैसा हो जाएगा? सिंपल. है ना, जब हम डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में इसको चेंज करेंगे तो सेंटेंस हमारा कैसा हो जाएगा? सिंपल. राम आस्क्ड मी इफ he going to school and use full stop here. Okay, interrogative sentence will be changed affirmative sentence in indirect speech. है ना, जब डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में हम सेंटेंस को चेंज करेंगे तो हमारा सेंटेंस कैसा हो जाएगा? सिंपल. कैसा हो जाएगा? सिंपल. है ना, Ram asked me if he was going to school. Like Ram said to me, where are you going? Yeah, what are you? Yeah. This is interrogative sentence. Second type of interrogative. You can Ram asked me. Don't use any conjunction if or whether. Write directly interrogation. Ask me what. अब टेंस कैसा करना है? सिंपल. Ram asked me what I, sorry, because second person pronoun change according to object. यहाँ पर object क्या है हमारा? Me. But I was doing. What I was doing. है ना, when we use pronoun after interrogative word तो sentence हमारा कैसा हो जाता है? Simple. अगर हम यहाँ पर was लगा देते, what was I doing, तो कैसा रहता? Interrogative. और हमें sentence कैसा करना है? सिंपल. है ना, डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट में जब चेंज करेंगे तो जो हमारे इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस हैं वो कैसे हो जाएंगे? एफर्मेटिव. कैसे हो जाएंगे? एफर्मेटिव. राम आस्क्ड मी व्हाट आई वाज डूइंग. क्लियर? दोनों तरह के आपको मैंने बताए हैं सेंटेंस. इंटेरोगेटिव टू टाइप्स. फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ इंटेरोगेटिव where. If sentence has been started by what, here, है ना, WH words, then we never use any conjunction, we put the interrogation verb directly. Okay, is clear? Clear or not? Okay. Said to, told, है ना. इफ सेंटेंस इज सिंपल, अगर अफर्मेटिव और नेगेटिव है तो हम सेड टू को किस में चेंज करेंगे, टोल्ड में. और अगर इंटेरोगेटिव है तो सेड टू का आस्क्ड. ऐसे ही प्रेजेंट टेंस में. एंड वन थिंग मोर स्टूडेंट्स, इफ रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब इज इन प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर टेंस, है ना, अगर हमारी रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर टेंस में है, देन वी विल नॉट चेंज द टेंस ऑफ रिपोर्टेड स्पीच, है ना. तब हम रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का टेंस नहीं चेंज करेंगे अगर हमारी रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब किस में है, प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर में. किस टेंस में है, प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर में. इट मीन्स say, says, will say. Okay, these are the present or future tense. If reporting verb is in past tense, then we have to change the tense of reported speech, है ना. अगर हमारा reporting verb past tense में है, like said, then we change the tense of reported speech. Clear? If reporting verb is in present and future tense, then we will not change the tense of reported speech. If our reporting verb is in past tense, then we will have to change tense of reported speech. Is it clear? Okay. Is there any problem, students?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.